To set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone, you will need to have an iPhone or iPad for yourself and an iPhone for your child. The first step is to create a Google account for your child if they do not already have one. Open the Google Family Link app on your iPhone and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Once you are signed in, tap on Create or Add a Child Account and follow the prompts to create a new Google account for your child. Next, you will need to install the Google Family Link app on your child's iPhone. You can do this by opening the App Store on their device and searching for Google Family Link. Download and install the app. Then open it and sign in with your child's new Google account. On your iPhone, you will see your child's account listed in the Family Link app. Tap on their account and follow the prompts to set up parental controls. You can set a screen time limit, block certain apps, and set a bedtime routine. You can also view your child's location and see what apps they are using. To set up location sharing, tap on Location Sharing in the Family Link app on your iPhone. This will allow you to see your child's location on a map. You can also set up alerts to notify you when your child arrives at or leaves a certain location. It is also important to have a conversation with your child about why you are setting up these controls and what your expectations are for their iPhone use. This will help them understand the importance of responsible iPhone use and how the controls are in place to help keep them safe. By following these steps, you can set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone and help them develop healthy iPhone habits. Remember to regularly review and update the controls as your child grows and matures.